Howdy folks, Kenny here at SawHaul, and just wanted to do a little product update tutorial on some installation directions. Today we're going to be featuring the aerial bucket truck. Obviously we don't have the fiberglass unit that this sits in, but we have incorporated a nylon bolt into this that is going to allow that to not pop up like previously. And then we also have a hole in it right here, which is going to be incorporated into this little hole right here. And that is going to combine to allow that to be a fixed unit inside that. So what you're gonna do, you're going to just slip that on. Obviously with the fiberglass unit that it's sitting in, it's gonna be a lot different than this. You're going to tighten that up as you want. It'll still allow it to slide as you need. And then this will work the same as it would with a 20-inch, a 28-inch, and a 36-inch. We do recommend you never go a longer bar than what this scabbard is, because we want the weight of the power head to be sitting on this. That's where your durability comes from. We're going to insert that directly into there, pop it in, and then these little machine screws right here, we're going to take this and we're just going to tighten that up right there. Like so, and it is ready to go. And then simply put your saw on it and you're ready to go, rock and roll. Good luck, stay safe, and go make some money.